What are you making today, sweetie?
We're gonna make slow cooker navy beans. But they're not gonna be your traditional like soup navy beans, like with ham and stuff in it. This is gonna be more of like a bean stew with some flavors that we'll be putting in later. But first step is we need to get these cooking without any other.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. You're in a temperature switcher. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that. Did you soak them prior?
Yes, I've soaked them for about 2 hours, about 2.5 hours. You can do overnight soaking if you plan on doing an early morning thing, but I soaked them for about 2.5 hours. That in. Five cups of just kind of wiggle them around a little bit. And that's it. 2 hours. 2 hours of this, and then we're gonna put all the ingredients in, and then cook it for another probably 3 to 4 hours after that. But we still want them to be. We don't want it to be a soup. We want it to be more of a stew, creamy, but still have the whole beans in them. I don't want them mushed up. Okay. 2 hours. So it's actually been not 2 hours, but I checked them at 2 hours. I felt like they needed a little bit longer, so it's been 2 hours and 40 minutes. And they are the perfect, it's kind of like they're almost cooked, but still got a little toughness to them. And that's when we put in our seasonings. Well, that's how I do it. Ooh, all that steam. And this is what it looks like. And so I just take one, and I can just kind of see how tough it is, and it's not mushy, but it's not done yet, but it's also when you need to put in your ingredients. I like better than bouillon. That's stuff. And I haven't used it in a while, so yeah. Came out of the fridge, so it's a little tough here. I'm only putting in about I don't know, 5? Yeah. It's a teaspoon per cup of water. That might have been a little over. And then I just do that because I don't want to waste. See? Okay. Love garlic around here. Makes everything taste better. And we'll do 4 cloves. That's what that equals to. Lid malfunction here.
This is better than a wardrobe.
And, do I have enough in here? I have another bottle. Yeah, I think so. Because we're doing 4 teaspoons of cumin. dog snoring again in the middle of my video. Oh my goodness. Yeah, should I get out my other bottle? 4.
You got it though.
Yeah. It's almost gone now. No worries, I got another one. Two teaspoons of this. Give it that chili flavor. And we're gonna add some spice. Cayenne. But it's not gonna be a lot because I can't handle all that spice because the chili pepper is already gonna give you spice. I think I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of this, y'all. Even though I have my teaspoon. Do that. Because I already know it's going to be a little spicy from the chili powder. And of course, pepper. Gotta have pepper. I don't stick salt in this because bouillon has salt in it. No point in double salting yourself. I think that's gonna be a little spicy, y'all. But that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be a little spicy. Because they're just it's good with navy beans. Sorry, I put my lid on or else I'll forget. Alright, now we're gonna stir this up. Definitely smell the cumin. Like I said, this is not the traditional navy beans and ham, which is very good. But this one's not going to be a soup. It's going to be quite thick. It's going to be like a stew. So I don't stick ham in my beans usually. Not because I don't like it, it's just because I usually like to make it like stewy. Pockets in the way. Okay, now we gotta put the lid on. And probably about 2.5 to 3.5 more hours right at this point.
What happens if you go too long?
Well, you should check it. You know, check it at 2.5 hours. If it's not like the stew look and it's still kind of soupy, put it in there for another 30 minutes, and you just keep checking it. But I will give you what I do, but that's pertaining to my machine. Some run hotter, some run lower. So. But I will give you exactly what I did. Ooh.
Oh, hey, it's steamy. Now let's go look in here in the yummy goodness. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, that's ready. I don't like soup. I like a, and this is very steamy. I like a stew. My beans.
That one's my bowl, right?
Yeah, but you can have more. There's tons. Oh my goodness. It's a little kind of slightly spicy, but not that bad. Okay.
Of course, because you made it, baby.
Yum, yum, yum. Put that over.